With a one transistor amplifier you can do a lot of very interesting audio experiments. I've made that one transistor amplifier here, and you can experiment everything, do what you want, as long as you don't make very big mistakes, like connecting this the base from the transistor directly to the positive lead. Then your transistor is immediately dead. Okay, this is the schematic, by the way, and the key from all these experiments is that we make a connection from the output through a capacitor back to the input, and that has in general dramatic effects on the sound. You can even connect here the output directly via cap to the input. I want to demonstrate it later. When you connect your MP3 player, your iPhone or your computer, this is a helpful circuit to make a galvanic separation between the amplifier and this often very expensive device, so that you can damage it. The caps are all foil capacitors. They have the best properties for audio. This amplifier is made with the BC547B, can amplify approximately 300 times. The music that I play is this music. I took by purpose guitar music because the effects are best visible, audible. And now the whole circuit in practice. The transistor amplifier here, one transistor, the end amplifier, and here the high inductance coil, here my MP3 player. I want to show some effects. Now I play that music. And I've taken by purpose this music because other music didn't work so well. The sound was not very good. One demonstration at first. This is the high inductance. The high inductance transformer. It's a 24 volt transformer, and it only has the aim to create a kind of frequency dependent element from the output back to the input. That means that this amplifier gets a kind of frequency band where it amplifies at its best. This is also one thing. When you connect here a cap from 0.1 microfarad, it will have an effect on the sound. You will hear more high frequencies. Let's go back to the music. What happens when we connect the input to the output? You can hear now that a part of the frequency spectrum is damped. Now the whole transformer is disconnected, is shortcut. That has a certain effect on the sound. Back to the transformer. What happens when we connect a cap here parallel to the coil? You hear that the medium frequencies are better amplified, or the high frequencies are pushed down. So that were a few experiments, sound experiments. I don't say this is the ultimate solution. This is also not the holy grail in audio music, but for first experiments to get some insight, to create the sound that you like, such a circuit can be very helpful.